Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yoshita and I'm a certified yoga teacher. So today's video is about the Hatha Sun Salutation or the Surya Namaskar. First, let us understand why we practice the sun salutation in the daily life asana practice. We know that sun is the source of life and the source of energy as well. And in order to do the asana, we need lots of energy and strength to build a good stamina for the asana practice. So the sun salutation is a set of 12 postures, which is the best one to warm up the muscles and also to bring the heat in the body by improving the blood circulation. So it's a best warm up as well as generating of heat. So it is a way of greeting the sun as a source of life to create some light and power within us. So basically we do the sun salutation to greet the sun and also to warm up our muscles. So let's get started. Okay, so we start in the standing position known as the Tadasana, keeping the feet together and hands sideways of the thighs and shoulders rolled back. This is going to be as strong as a human that we can to bring the concentration and power for our practice. Now, we start with the first pose known as Pranamasana or the prayer pose. So, you have to raise your arms up, making a big circle, and then exhale, bring your arms to your heart center. I will show from the front side as well. You have to take a deep inhale, collecting all the energy of the sun, and exhale to your heart center. Beautiful. So we go for Pranamasana. Inhale and then exhale to your heart. Nice. Now we go for the second pose that is known as the Hastuttanasana or the raised arm pose. So in this we will do a slight back bend with the lower back. You have to raise your arms up and squeeze your glutes and gently go for a gentle back bend. And slowly come to the center. This is known as the Hastuttanasana or the raised arm pose. Beautiful. Now, from the second pose, we go to the third Padhastasana or the standing forward fold. Slowly drop your feet towards your palms, and now we are going to bring the palms and feet in one line. Make sure that the palms are not coming in the front or to the side or to the back. They should be in line with your big toes. Now the body weight should be leaning towards your toes. It should not be on the heels. You have to lean forward on your toes. Then you have to inhale, lengthen your torso, and slowly exhale, go down. And now we go to the fourth pose known as Ashwa Sanchalanasana or the low lunge. Gently take your right leg back, drop your toe down, then your knee down, and flatten your feet from the back. You have to see that the front knee should be in line with your front heel, 90 degree, to support and to not injure your knee. So be careful that you're not bending your knee over your ankle. It should be 90 degree, just like this. And then drop your palms down, come on your fingertips, open up your chest and look up to the beautiful sun in front of you. Nice. Now we go for fifth asana, the Parvatasana. Take your left leg back, bring your feet together, and then stretch your spine as back as you can, looking towards your thighs. This is known as the mountain pose. Now, the sixth one, we need to hold the breath in this pose. So gently drop your knees down, then slowly your chest in between your palms and your chin on the floor for Ashtanga Namaskar or the 8 limbs pose. Now slowly drop your pelvis down. Inhale, open your chest to Bhujangasana and stretch your neck back to the sun. The Cobra pose. And now tuck your feet back, stretch your spine back, come to the Parvatasana or the mountain pose with an exhale. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, again to the 90 degree. Look forward, stretch your pelvis down and look to the beautiful sun up. Now exhale, back to the Padhastasana, bringing both the feet together. Palms down, weight on your toes, and exhale, go down. Inhale, join your palms up, go to the back bend, and exhale to the Pranamasana or the prayer pose. Okay, so now we use the right leg for one round. In order to balance it, we will use the left leg to finish it. So now we'll do it slightly quickly and with the proper breathing. Okay, so we start again. Inhale 1, exhale Pranamasana. To inhale, Hastuttanasana. 3, exhale Padhastasana. 4, inhale, left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. 5, exhale, go to Parvatasana. 6, hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskar. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, back to Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. And exhale to Pranam Asana. This completes our one round of sun salutation, completing the right leg and the left leg. Okay, so this is known as the Hatha sun salutation or the Surya Namaskar. You can practice this every day for minimum 4 rounds and maximum as much as you can do for a healthier muscles and also to greet the beautiful source of life, that is the sun. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.